Hello, hello. Welcome, my friend. I am Emily. I am very happy you are here today.
Hello, I am Paul. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching.
Today, we will learn English together. Very simple English. Very easy English.
Yes, slow English, clear English, English for daily life.
Our topic today is very common, very useful.
English conversation at the market.
The market is a place we all go. We buy food, we buy fruit, we buy vegetables.
We talk to the seller. We ask questions. We pay money.
Many learners feel scared at the market.
Yes, they think, what do I say?
Or, what if I make a mistake?
Or, what if I do not understand?
That feeling is normal. It is okay.
You are not alone.
Today, we will help you.
We will practice together.
We will repeat words.
We will repeat sentences.
You will feel more confident.
You can do this.
Let us start with a small story.
A daily life problem.
Imagine this. You go to the market.
You see apples, red apples, green apples.
You want to buy apples.
The seller looks at you and smiles.
The seller says something.
You feel nervous.
Your heart beats fast.
You think, oh no, English.
This happens to many people.
But today, we change this.
Today, you will know what to say.
Step by step.
First, we start with a friendly hello.
Hello is very important.
A simple hello is enough.
You can say, hello.
Or you can say, hi.
Let us practice.
Repeat after me.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Very good.
Now, after hello, we can ask a simple question.
At the market, a common question is about price.
Price means money.
How much money?
The most common question is this.
How much is this?
Very useful, very simple.
Let us say it slowly.
How much is this?
How much is this?
Your turn. Repeat after me.
How much is this? Good.
You can use this for many things.
Apples, bananas, tomatoes.
Point with your finger.
And say, how much is this?
Pointing helps.
If you do not know the word, pointing is okay.
Not perfect English, but real English.
Let us repeat again.
How much is this?
How much is this?
Very good.
Now, sometimes you want more than one thing.
For example, 2 apples.
Or 1 kilo of rice.
Then you can say, how much are these?
This is for many things.
But do not worry too much.
Beginners can use how much is this many times.
It is okay. People understand.
Let us keep it simple.
Simple English is strong English.
Now the seller answers.
The seller says a price.
For example, $2.
Or 100 rupees.
Listen carefully.
But sometimes you do not understand.
That is okay.
You can ask again.
A very useful sentence is this.
Sorry?
Or, sorry, can you say it again?
Long sentence, but very useful.
Let us break it.
First word, sorry.
Sorry.
This is polite.
This shows respect.
Now the full sentence.
Sorry, can you say it again?
Say it slowly with me.
Sorry, can you say it again? Good.
You can also say, sorry, I don't understand.
That is honest. That is okay.
Repeat after me.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Very nice.
You are doing great.
Now let us talk about buying.
When you like the price, you buy.
You can say, okay.
Very simple.
Or, okay, I'll take it.
This means you want it.
Let us practice.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, I'll take it.
okay, I'll take it.
Good job. Now, sometimes the price is high.
You think, too much money.
At some markets, you can ask for a lower price.
This is called bargaining.
Very common in many countries.
A simple sentence is this.
Can you make it cheaper?
Long but useful.
Say it slowly.
Can you make it cheaper?
Repeat after me.
Can you make it cheaper?
Nice. You can also say, too expensive.
Short sentence.
Too expensive.
Too expensive.
Remember, smile when you say it.
Smile helps a lot.
Now, let's build a small conversation.
We will go slow.
Listen first.
Then repeat.
Hello.
Hello.
How much is this?
It is $2.
Okay, I'll take it.
Thank you.
Very simple, very real.
Now let us do repeat after me together.
I will say a sentence, you repeat.
Hello.
Hello.
How much is this?
How much is this?
Okay, I'll take it.
Okay, I'll take it. Perfect.
You see, you can speak English.
Now let us add more detail.
Sometimes you want a number,
For example, 1 kilo.
or 2 kilos.
A very useful word is kilo.
Kilo means 1,000 grams.
At the market, people say kilo a lot.
Let us practice.
1 kilo.
1 kilo.
2 kilos.
2 kilos.
Now the sentence.
1 kilo, please.
Very polite.
Please is a magic word.
Repeat after me.
1 kilo, please.
1 kilo, please. Good.
You can use this with many things.
1 kilo apples, please.
1 kilo rice, please.
Now let us slow down and explain meaning with daily life.
Imagine you want apples.
You see apples on the table.
You smile.
You say hello.
You point.
You say 1 kilo, please.
The seller understands.
You do not need perfect grammar.
You need clear words,
This is real English.
not textbook English.
Real life English. Now, let us look at common beginner mistakes.
Mistake number 1.
Some learners say only, how much?
This is not wrong.
But it is not complete.
Better to say, how much is this?
Not this, how much, but this, how much is this?
Mistake number 2.
Some learners stay silent.
They feel scared.
They say nothing.
But silence does not help.
Simple words help.
Not this, silence.
But this, hello, okay, please.
Mistake number 3.
Some learners speak very fast.
Fast is not clear.
Slow is better.
Slow English is strong English.
Now, let us practice a longer conversation.
This is a full market conversation.
Listen carefully.
We will use the same words again.
Hello?
Hello.
How much is this?
It is $3.
Too expensive. Can you make it cheaper?
Okay, $2.
Okay, I'll take it. 1 kilo, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very good.
Very real.
Now, your turn.
Repeat after me, sentence by sentence. Hello.
Hello.
How much is this?
How much is this?
Too expensive.
Too expensive.
Can you make it cheaper?
Can you make it cheaper?
Okay, I'll take it.
Okay, I'll take it. Amazing.
You are learning fast.
Let us repeat important words again.
Repetition helps memory.
Hello.
Hello.
Please.
Please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
These words are very important.
They make you sound polite.
Polite English is good English. Now, let us add thank you.
at the end of the conversation.
Always say thank you.
It is kind.
Repeat after me.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good.
You are doing great.
Let us do one more long conversation.
This time, imagine a vegetable market.
Tomatoes, onions, potatoes.
Listen first.
Hello.
Hello.
How much is this?
It is $1.
Okay, 1 kilo, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very simple.
Easy.
Now, repeat with me.
Hello.
Hello.
How much is this?
How much is this?
1 kilo, please.
1 kilo, please.
Thank you.
Thank you. Very nice.
Feel the confidence.
Remember, mistakes are okay.
Mistakes mean learning.
Do not be afraid.
You can do this.
Let us recap everything slowly.
Recap means remember again.
At the market, first say hello.
Hello.
Ask the price.
How much is this?
Ask for quantity.
1 kilo, please.
Buy the item.
Okay, I'll take it.
Be polite.
Please, thank you.
This is all you need.
Simple words.
Simple sentences.
Real-life English.
Take a deep breath.
Feel proud.
You are learning English.
Step by step.
Practice this at home.
Practice in your mind.
Practice at the market.
Even one sentence is good.
We are proud of you.
Keep going.
Do not stop.
English gets easier.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Thank you for your time.
We will see you again.
Bye-bye.
Before we say goodbye for today, let us keep practicing a little more.
Yes, more practice means more confidence.
Confidence is very important.
When you feel confident, words come easier.
Let us slow down again.
Slow is good.
Imagine another day.
Another visit to the market.
This time you want fruit.
You see bananas.
Yellow bananas.
Fresh bananas.
You walk closer.
The seller looks at you.
The seller smiles.
You smile too.
You say hello.
The seller says hello.
You point to the bananas.
You ask the price.
How much is this?
How much is this?
The seller says $2.
You hear two.
You understand.
You feel happy.
You want to buy.
You say okay.
Or, okay, I'll take it.
Let us practice again.
Repeat after me.
Hello.
Hello.
How much is this?
How much is this?
Okay, I'll take it.
Okay, I'll take it.
Very good.
You are speaking English.
Now, sometimes you want to ask a small extra question.
A very small question. For example, you want fresh food.
You can ask, is it fresh?
Is it fresh?
Is it fresh?
Very simple.
Very useful.
Repeat after me.
Is it fresh?
Is it fresh?
You can use this for fruit,
For vegetables.
for fish.
For bread.
If the seller says yes, you smile.
If the seller says yes, you buy.
Now let us look at another common situation.
You do not want 1 kilo.
You want half a kilo.
Half means not full.
Half a kilo.
Half a kilo.
The sentence is this. Half a kilo, please.
Repeat after me.
Half a kilo, please.
Half a kilo, please.
Good.
Do not worry if half is new.
You can also point and show with your hand.
Hands help a lot.
English is not only words.
It is also body language.
Now let us practice another full conversation.
This time you buy vegetables.
Hello.
Hello.
How much is this?
It is $1.
Is it fresh?
Yes, very fresh.
Okay, half a kilo, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very nice.
Very natural.
Now repeat with me.
One sentence at a time.
Hello.
Hello.
How much is this?
How much is this?
Is it fresh?
Is it fresh?
Half a kilo, please.
Half a kilo, please.
Excellent.
You are doing really well.
Let us talk about money words.
Very simple money words.
Cheap,
Cheap means low price.
expensive,
Expensive means high price.
Repeat after me.
cheap,
Cheap.
expensive.
Expensive. At the market, you may hear these words.
Or you may say them.
Too expensive.
Too expensive.
Not this. Silence.
But this, too expensive.
Remember, it is okay to speak.
It is okay to try.
Now, let us gently correct another mistake.
Some learners forget please.
They say, 1 kilo.
This sounds a little rude.
Better to say, 1 kilo, please.
Please makes it polite.
Not this. 1 kilo.
But this, 1 kilo, please.
Small word.
Big difference.
Let us practice politeness again.
Repeat after me. Please.
Please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very good.
Polite English feels good.
Now imagine the market is busy.
Many people.
Many sounds.
Many voices.
You may feel nervous.
That is normal.
Take a deep breath.
Slow down.
You know the words now.
They are inside you.
Hello.
How much is this?
1 kilo, please.
Thank you.
These 4 lines are very strong.
You can use them every day.
Let us repeat them again together. One last time. Hello.
Hello.
How much is this?
How much is this?
1 kilo, please.
1 kilo, please.
Thank you.
Thank you. Wonderful.
You sound great.
Now, let us help your memory.
We will connect words to feelings.
Hello is friendly.
It opens the conversation.
Please is kind.
It shows respect.
Thank you is warm.
It closes the conversation.
Feel these words.
Do not just hear them.
When you say hello, smile.
When you say please, smile.
When you say thank you, smile.
Smiling helps your English.
And helps your confidence.
You are not bad at English.
You are learning English.
Learning takes time.
And you are doing it.
We believe in you.
Yes, we really do.
Practice a little every day.
Even one sentence.
Even one word.
At the market.
At the shop.
At home.
English is everywhere.
And now, English is for you.
Thank you for staying with us.
Thank you for practicing.
We are proud of you.
Keep going.
This is not the end.
This is just the start.
You can do this.
See you next time.